Welcome back, everybody, to another video. Today we're here with a Yamaha Raptor 125. We're doing oil, and I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. Everything you need to know. Don't pay nobody. I'm gonna help you out. Like, share, subscribe, and let's get into it. Get yourself a drain pan, a 17 millimeter, and there is the drain nut right there, 17 mil right there. Get your ratchet, take it off, and let it drain. Don't lose that washer. You need a washer. If you don't have one, go buy one. On the other side of the bike, you have the fill / dipstick. You're gonna undo this. Here's your dipstick. And that's where you're gonna put the oil back in. See, the oil is still coming out. So what I'm gonna do is just let it drain until it's totally empty. Then I'm gonna tilt the bike, make sure all the rest comes out. This takes 1.32 quarts to fill. So it's gonna roughly be, you're gonna need to buy 2 quarts in order to do it. And then, you know, it'll be about 1.5-ish, a little bit less than 1.5. So anyways, just something to keep in mind. You're gonna have to buy 2 quarts in order to fill this. It's done draining out. Go ahead, try not to drop the plug 50 million times, and thread this guy in. Go as far as you can by hand first. If you can't get it in by hand, you're cross threading it. Take it off, try again. Oil I bought for this is ATV UTV 5W50 motor oil from AMSOIL. You're gonna have to buy 2 of these quarts, like I said, and we're gonna dump them in. You just dump 1 in, and then 1/3 of how many are in here? 32. So 1/3 of 32 is like, just call it 11. So you need to dump 11, and then we'll turn it on for a little bit, then we'll check it, and then we'll see what it's like. To check the oil, you're gonna screw it all the way in, then you're gonna unscrew it and take a peek. And we're right up. It's hard to see on the camera, but it's right to the top of the checkered lines. We're good. So I put 1 full quart plus 11 ounces. Hopefully this video helped you save a bunch of money. Don't pay somebody for this. It's super easy. That's it. Like, share, subscribe. I got more videos coming out every single week. Till next time, wrench on.